Howdy y'all, got a new video for today going over 3M just as yesterday. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so as y'all knew yesterday at 105.50, I did sell 2 shares of 3M. So it sold right there. And I did not know it was going to top out at this point early in the morning, but it did. I was actually riding my horse when it sold, so that was really cool. And it dropped back down, went back up, tested, and I was not watching this. I was busy riding my horse, so did not see that, but y'all can see patterns. This is a resistance line. Came back down to support zone right here. So we're going to use our drawings. We're going to click over here, go to our drawing tools. We're going to choose this line. So we can see that it topped out right there 2 times. We can also see that this line right here came over to this bottom part of the candle, this bottom wick, and also touched this bottom wick. And some traders, they only go off of the solid part of the candle, not the wick. It really depends for me for what the chart looks like as to how I will navigate it. But also, it's not just here. This also extends over to this area. Granted, did not touch it, but it is still in that zone. So if we extend this line all the way across, we can see how 3M, if you all are wanting to learn charts, is going up and down in between this zone. So we can see if you're going off solid candle parts instead of the wick, that is a resistance line. Resistance, support, resistance. It broke through the support and became a resistance again. Same thing with over here. If you're doing these quick trades, this is a perfect line through the middle of the trading day. So it's just bumping in and out, consolidation throughout the day of these support and resistance lines. Obviously, it's hovering on the 10 cents lines, which is what I have it set at. And y'all can see that plain as day. 10 cents, it's going up, down for 20 cents, and it stays in there. It can't reach this resistance line, can't have this as support, brings back down. Comes back in, up and down. Goes above, it can't handle it. It's got to break back through that support, use it as resistance. And y'all got to just learn with watching stocks as they move, because you can't say, oh, 5 hours ago, I want to trade this. It don't work like that. It's in the moment. So you can draw out these lines for yourself. If you're using Thinkorswim, as I do, you go over to your drawings, click on drawing tools, and it's this little bar right here, trend line. And that's what I do a lot of time. I use a lot of the other drawings. We'll go more into those later. But y'all that have been watching videos for a while, y'all know that I love my support and resistance lines. That's how I do a lot of my trades. Not all of them, but I do quite a few on there. And they're very helpful. And if you all want to take away some of the drawing sets, we use undo trend line. Just keep clicking it until they're all gone. Obviously, y'all can click on a certain one and remove drawing. So it can be done that way too. But I was very happy with selling some 3M today. Just sold 2 shares. Didn't need to sell a bunch. But if we want to back it out some, we'll go to the 1 year to 1 day. Obviously, it's looking really high here. It doesn't look as high when you back it out to the 5-year chart. It's still really low, but I bought in this area. So right now I'm comfortable with doing this, especially with interest rates, what all it's doing, all this great news on 3M. I'm selling it and I'm content with it. I'm very happy with it. If we were to go to the 10-year, again, it's very low. It's below what it was years ago. But again, the market's different than what it was 10 years ago. So you have to keep that in mind, keep that factor, and that's why I'm selling today and why I've been selling the past few days. And we had some serious amount of volume going at the very end of trading day and quite a bit of volume in the beginning. I love pre-market and after market hours. I do a lot of trading then. obviously in regulation hours too. But love that I was able to sell right at the very tip of that. Got that notification. And if it didn't, it would have gotten it later, but it just so happened to reach my shares, and I'm very happy about that. So that's today's video to kind of cap on yesterday. In case you're all wondering whether the shares did get sold, AEP, American Electric Power, did not sell, as you all saw from the other video yesterday, but 3M did. I'm very happy about that.